What's up, guys? It's Hayden Bradley. Welcome back. I just made it down to Miami, Florida, and I'm here with Truitt Battin in his Lamborghini STO. Today, we're going to show you how to get some unique and creative car shots using your Insta360 X4 and a few accessories.
It's gonna be lit. Let's get it.
Here we got the mouth mount. You can also use a chin strap or a head strap for this, but I typically like to use the mouth mount. I feel as if it is the best perspective from your actual view. So you just bite on it, there you go, and the audience will feel as if they are the ones driving. All right, next up, we got this little multi-tripod mount. I got the X4 on it with the lens cap for safety, just in case some wind does blow it over. The idea is I'm gonna have Truitt drive directly over the camera, so hopefully we can catch a little reveal of the car going over the top. So hopefully we got enough room here. Oh yeah, just enough clearance right there. So let's see how this goes. All right, you're good. This is a 3-section car mount right here. If you want to get those GTA shots that you guys are probably seeing all over the internet, this is what they're most likely using. So what's cool about this mount, it's very adjustable, so you can pretty much put it on any surface you want. As you can see right here, it's an extremely weird angle, so you can just kind of maneuver it how you want, just like that. Simple as that. And in literally a matter of seconds, you have pretty much a drone view, GTA mode right behind you. So I'm currently headed to another location right now to meet Truitt, but in the meantime, let's hop into the studio and I'll show you guys how to get shots like this so that you guys can add a little more effect to your video when you are getting that GTA like clip, and it'll add a little more action.
So the goal for this effect is that you want to show the car picking up speed. So each time that the car shifts, it's pulling away a little bit further from the car. So you're gonna create that initial keyframe at the very beginning just to pick an angle exactly where you want to start with, and you don't want to be too far away from the car. So right before the gear shifts, you're going to create another keyframe just to hold that view. And then right after it's done shifting, you're going to create another keyframe, and that's when you're going to zoom out a little bit. So you'll just repeat this process each time the gear shifts to go faster, and each time you're going to zoom out just a little bit more. So whenever the car is shifting gears down, you're going to create another keyframe and zoom in a little bit, so it gives the effect that the camera or whatever is catching back up to the car and shows that the car is slowing down. So once you find everything that you like and everything's set, go ahead and export that, and here are the results. So now that we have that covered, let's hop back into the rest of the video.
Here we got this single suction cup mount. You can put this thing pretty much wherever you want on the car. So with the third suction cup mount, you need more space. And when you don't have a lot of space, this is what you want right here. I mean, you can just stick this on the mirror if you want, and then you get a cool shot of the passenger or the driver. So this is what I love to use when I want to put it in places that nothing else will go. Here we have the long extension port right here with the X4 on it. If you want to get more of like a drone-like feel where there's some more movement in it, or like a little selfie, this is what I use right here. Just get in here, send her on out. You can get the front, you can get the side, you can get above you. So You can get very creative with this shot. Please keep in mind, you can do this on any type of vehicle you want. As long as there's a surface to stick something or a window to hold it out, it doesn't matter. You can do it as long as you got one of these things right here, an Insta360 X4. All right, guys, that pretty much sums it up for today. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Amazing day filming with Insta360 cameras.
If you guys want to know anything else about car content or camera settings, please comment that down below, and I'll be sure to answer your guys' questions as well as I can. And if you want to follow along with Truitt's racing journey, please give him a follow on Instagram. You guys will not be disappointed. Well, we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.
Yoo!